Good morning, viajeros! We're here right now sa the last day before Tamatog Airport. We're here right now sa Vietnam War Museum. Alright, so natin mga tinuod yun nga airplanes from the US Air Force. So, actual airplanes is used during the war. Diano Choi taping and helicopter. Oh yeah. Another side, dati yung helicopter sa tangki. Nabidagko gidigin sila. Let's try to get near one of them. Kayo. Snow climbing. Ito, atong dukduk ko na. O cow. See the rear end. So there are still many things inside. So let's check them out. We are here at the third floor. Some more pictures. More history. Ito, nahingan niya kung lulusoan ng jeep. Oh. Lagi. And this is how they looked before.
We're still on the third floor. And you can see actual pictures from the war. So, hindi ko photography. Appreciate nyo. More pictures over there. To go.
Here at the second floor, more pictures, more
massacre.
bloody scenes, and real parts of airplanes. This is a very strong picture. Look at that. Sino mo yung mga grenades used? Like orange bomb. Kaya. Yung mga papi. Nail bomb. Sakita na sa? Tusok-tusok ba?
Gamit ito ng terorista ko? Sa
tao.
terorista.
So, kani nga museum sa kit siya tanaw. So those pictures sa mga civilians, mga victims. And this one. 3 million. So that's it mga biyeheros. That's here sa War Museum in Vietnam. Peace out. Biyahero after roaming around the place sa War Museum. It just shows unsa ka sakit, how painful para sa mga tao ang war. May gani, wala na may tabo sa tuwa. So after all the pictures and everything, at least wala na gubat. Peace. World peace.